Time now, Money Matters Nashville. As of 2030, all baby boomers will reach 65 years of age. We've got Wes Wood here with Wood Financial Group. The Great Wealth Transfer is a term that's coming out. What does that mean?
It is, and it's about the baby boomers. So when the baby boomers pass away, there's going to be a transfer of wealth to millennials. That is the Great Wealth Transfer.
So what does that specifically mean for boomers then?
Well, what it means is that boomers are now the richest demographic that's out there today. Matter of fact, the average boomer has about $1 million in assets, which means when the boomers pass away and this transfer of wealth goes to the millennials will now be the richest demographic ever. Matter of fact, there's going to be a $68 trillion transfer of wealth.
Which leads us into wisely passing that money on, using good strategies.
Absolutely, and the way to utilize good strategies, you got to have a plan. So with this huge wealth transfer, there's going to be probably, unfortunately, folks that have tremendous unnecessary tax consequences to their heirs, maybe create infighting amongst their heirs, probate, and all kinds of other issues. So things you're going to want to make sure you have in place are wills, trust, your power of attorneys as you're living. Make sure all your beneficiaries are correctly assigned, and make sure you have some plan in place to ensure when this transfer of wealth does happen, your kids and family aren't caught in the middle.
And you talk about plans all the time, whether it's a budget or, as you mentioned, this Great Wealth Transfer. Information for this is all in this free book. It's at moneymattersnashville.com, Surviving Retirement.
Yeah, there's a whole chapter talking specifically about estate planning. So when this transfer of wealth happens, you read this chapter, it'll give you some great insight on making sure that your family is well protected from the unnecessary pitfalls that can happen.
And Wood Financial Group knows the benefit of having a good plan, as they've been working with pre-retirees and retirees for decades. Head on over to moneymattersnashville.com.